Hello folks and welcome to my new video. Today I am planning to explain you how a standard ratchet is working. For this purpose, here I have one of my oldest ratchets, which I have already opened. So let's remove this metal plate and see the ratchet mechanism. Here is how it looks. We have this sprocket or a ratchet wheel, which as you can see is made from solid metal. This is the socket release mechanism. Basically, it's a pin going from one to the other side. We have a spring over here which creates some sort of force when you pressing the pin. Also, the pin has a little, I'm not sure you can see it, has a groove on it. So when you press it like this metal ball goes in and you can freely release the socket. When you unpress the button and the metal pin, the ball goes up and now it's nearly impossible to remove the socket you have placed on your ratchet. Next, we have the selector. This one here, for changing the rotation of the ratchet. And we have those two levers, which are like door hinges. They're moving only on the one side. We have two springs pushing them like this. Let me place this sprocket. Now you can clearly see how the mechanism is working. When you rotate in one of the directions, the lever is simply clicking and allowing the motion. But if you change the direction in the opposite, you can see how the lever is blocking the motion of the sprocket. Simple physics. Let's change the rotation. Now you can see in the opposite direction. Changing again. Sorry, it got a little bit. So basically, this is the design and how this particular ratchet is working. Of course, there are other designs, but basically this is how it's done. So if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up, subscribe, bye for now.